So here's this Toro all finished now. So I bought this expecting it to be broken. I actually got it to start right up after forcing some carburetor cleaner in here. So I've since washed it, which looks much better, and have changed the oil in it, cleaned the air filter, and sharpened the blade, which I'll include that video in here as well. Blade was in really good shape. And the blade is in really good shape on this Toro as well, so just sharpen that as I'm changing the oil in this, using my new blade adapter tool. We have some scratches here and there, just typical. Also got a few rust bubbles that I see on here after cleaning it up, probably because it had sat outside for some length of time. Sharpen the blade on this and balanced it as well. Everything is in really good shape. That blade didn't have hardly any nicks in it at all. Still haven't run it completely out of this old gas yet. I think once we get some fresh pressure gas in there, it'll run much better. Got some rust around here as well, as you can see. All these things you notice after you clean it up, and it's probably because of all that debris. And I did change the oil in this, which looked like it had never been changed. So let's give it its last start here. And here we go. We still got old gas in here. I do want to burn all this out. I think it'll run much better once I get fresh gas in here, but here we go. And I thought I'd bring my other Toro personal pace out that's just like this one that I got earlier this year. This is one that was missing the decal in the front, which is in much better condition than this one that I just recently got. Overall, just missing that decal. But they're identical model, identical engine size, 7.0 gross torque, 190 cc. The bag is in much better shape on this one, at least it looks cleaner. Overall, this one's clean. This was the one that had been sitting under a house and got rather moldy and ended up having to take that carburetor apart, but these are identical models. So I actually haven't started this one in a while, so I thought I'd bring it out and let's give this one a start. So let's give the one on the left a start here. Also, I got a debate if I'm going to keep this one that I just got or the similar one that has a 6.75 gross torque engine on it, which is a 2009 model. This is a 2011, just like this one. Let's give it a start here. This is the one that I got earlier this year. And this is a cold start. Probably hasn't been started in 2 months. Very cold. Gotta keep running. It's been a while for this one. Run a little bit.